Virtual hugs, everyone. This is Doc Mads. Who among you have received a fake email concerning Google Ad grant? How can we verify if it is legit? And what are the things we need to do to prevent fraud emails? If you have encountered similar situation, please share and comment below to help one another keep informed of the possible danger of account hacking. So what are the things we need to do? Do not click or download any links. Do not respond to email. Check your YouTube channel and share your experiences. For those of us who just started our YouTube channel, beware of scamming that pretend to email you as a primary recipient of Google Ad benefits or YouTube Shorts bonus. What are the indicators? So these are the guides and tips. So verify and check the sender. And then check your YouTube studio. You will see this under new achievements, a congratulatory note. Always safeguard your account. So this one is a suspicious email. This email seems dangerous as notified by Google. So these similar messages were used to steal people's personal information. So avoid clicking links, downloading attachments, or replying with personal information. So if you receive this notification of one of the randomly selected beneficiaries, beware. This is so inviting for us. So be vigilant at all times. Protect your account. YouTube Shorts monetization is very promising for new YouTubers. But remember, scammers think that as beginners, the tendency is being naive and tend to be very excited at times. So they will use this as opportunity to hack the account. Hope this video is helpful to you. Till next time.